The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Morning, guys. Happy Friday, fellas. Happy Friday. Barry, Jim, good morning. Guys, today is August 1st, and every month we go through this with the new link. There'll probably be some interruptions. David, good morning. As members, I'm already getting emails that some members can't find the August link. Morning, Jack. Morning, Dennis. So I will, monitor up until my break at 9 a.m. Who needs a link? Once I come back from break at 9:20, anybody? Good morning, Kelly. Anyone that was unable to find the link will have to wait until Monday. I won't. It's under the July. They didn't remove the July link. That makes no sense. Be that as it may, we'll get it straightened out. The link page still says July. Oh, okay. All right, Jimmy. Yeah, thank you. All right, so apparently it's still saying July link. I'll resolve that today. Sean is out. He didn't do the link. I think he's back tomorrow, maybe Sunday. In any event, guys, good morning. Happy Friday for those of you that managed to find the link. Welcome back. Yesterday was a frustrating trade. Volume is good today. Oh, you checked this morning and it says August? Okay. Volume is good today. I was happy to see this. 136,000 contracts, guys. It's heavy volume, right? Average volume is 68,000. Yesterday we were 23,000 contracts light. Today in the NASDAQ, we are well over our normal volume, which I was happy to see. We do have non-farm payrolls at 8:30, so we're definitely not doing anything until 8:30. For those of you that may be newer in the room, I am a volatility trader, and I like a little bit of movement, not necessarily FOMC type movement at 2:30 in the afternoon, but I do like it when it moves. Markets are down, kind of what I thought we would get today, not yesterday, but we were in desperate need of and are in desperate need of a pullback to reset. In any event, good morning and welcome. All right, I will read the disclaimer. Let me, you know what? I didn't look at news. I know we have, you know, unemployment rate. Yeah, yada, yada, yada. I'm just looking to see if we have any. Yeah, 9 o'clock, Fed's hammock speaks. So we have a Fed speaker at 9. 10 o'clock, we have Michigan consumer sentiment. 10 o'clock, we have ISM. So we're going to get some movement around 10 o'clock as well. In any event, let's get on with it. U.S. government required disclaimer. Futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Do not trade with money you can't afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. Good morning, Andrew. CFTC Rule 4.41, hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. no representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. This presentation is for educational purposes only. The opinions expressed in this presentation are mine and mine alone. All trades presented should be considered hypothetical and should not be expected to be replicated in a live trading account. Last but not least, past performance is not indicative of future results. The fact that I may or may not be in a trade does not lend more or less credence to any trade. Please trade according to your own accounts. Please trade according to your tolerance for risk. All right, what I usually do first, I forgot to do. Gold on the Ninja Renko up 460 in the overnight session. Gold on the 15-minute up 450. Crude up 480. All of these are daily goal. And copper up 500. This morning, because we had volume, I ran the NASDAQ 1 minute from 7 to 8, up 600. That is done for the day. These are all at daily goal. So the only things that will run today, during the cash session will be the ES and the NASDAQ Ninja Renko. Everything else is done. And for the benefit of all of you, which I've been posting similar to what one of the members was posting in Skype. I've been posting totals, and I'll show you what we have. So unfortunately, this is the first week that I've really tracked them individually and overall. For the week, gold on the 15-minute was up 1,800. On the Ninja Renko, up 2160. Copper had a fairly big draw on Monday and finished up $200 for the week. Crude finished up 510. I don't trade it on Wednesdays, so in that overnight session, I don't trade it. NASDAQ, which is on the 1 minute, is done for the day, up 1950 for the week. And of course, we have NASDAQ Ninja Renko, assuming that gets goal, that'll be green. It had a down day on Monday, July 28th. And ES, there's no light at the end of the tunnel for ES this week. It's had two, big draw days. But overall on the weekly, will be green. Right, we were down 2,200 on Monday, up 1,447, up 2,067, and up 847.50. So 234.42. We're up about $2,000 on the week, not including what's already in the books. I mean, unless ES just completely obliterates itself again today, like it did yesterday. In any, I'm going to short this right here. I'm late. Damn it. Got target anyways. I was late on that, and I got target anyways. That's the Ninja Renko. Targets hit on both ES. Anybody short that little pop? Anybody? Ninja Renko again. Where's my other chart? Come on, push. All right, Ninja Renko done for the day. 2 trades, 2 shorts, done for the day, done for the week. Daily goals in. Anybody short with me? I'm trying to get 960. 960. I was late on it. I said I would short that pop back up to the value area low. 960 is where I'm looking to come out. Going to be a little support here at 67 if it gets there. That's a volume point of control, old volume point of control. 957, this has dropped down to. Come on, don't you go up there. 8,800 on the Delta. All right, I'm flat. Let them buy them. ES is coming to 274. One tick. Done for the day. It's pending. Is there anybody that does not have daily goal on everything? Overnight, our session, everybody should be with the trend candles at daily goal. We're nowhere near a bounce yet. Gold is all right, Mark. All green. All right, all good and done. Nice job, guys. We should get a small bounce here. Let me look at the hourlies. I'm not even 034 is probably where we're coming. 034 on the 60-minute. All right, we've broken structure, I'm guessing, everywhere. We're getting a little bounce off that old volume point of control, but I think that'll break. There's just too much selling right now. We are now at 9,300 on the negative delta. We're holding that old volume point of control. It won't hold. There's too much selling. Just got a text from 1 minute now till we get the U.S. S&P manufacturing PMI. Waiting on news. Manufacturing PMI, guys. $58.20 for the week. Thanks. No help from ES. But you can see what volatility does. let's update this. All right, so 1600 on the ES. So 1675, 1675. That changes that to 6420 on the week. And this did 1175. That's the Ninja Ranko. 1175 minus 575. Hang on, guys. 1175. So add $600 to this, plus 1675, 2275, and add $600 to this, 6420. 7,020 for the week. All right. Those are the totals, just for the record in the video. Gold, Ninja Ranko up 460, daily goal. Gold 15-minute 450, daily goal. Crude 3-minute 480, daily goal. And copper 500, daily goal. NASDAQ 1 minute 600, daily goal. NASDAQ Ninja Ranko 1175, I reset it, let it hit its goal twice. That's that 1 minute. I didn't even run that test today. And NASDAQ, I'm sorry, ES 1600 hit daily goal twice. I reset it. So regardless if you set it or reset it or not, you still should have hit daily goals. And the overall week was pretty good. Anybody have any questions, guys, before we wrap for the week? Any questions at all? Guys, have a blessed weekend. If anybody needs me, please email me, and I will see every one of you on Monday. Be blessed, guys.